I just wanted to call this particular to the data. So I'll just show you once again. Let me just show you diagrammatically so that it will be clear. So this is my college component. Okay. So let me take this as my student component. Okay, this is my student component. So now I just wanted to pass the data from here to here. So I just wanted to pass the data here from this particular college to the student. So what is that data I just wanted to pass is this college is telling that it has been organizing a workshop on Angular. So that particular data I just wanted to send it to the student. So what I'm doing here is I'm declaring one property. So this particular date property value, I need to send it to this particular student. So for that purpose, what I did is okay. So I have college student. So in the TS file. So in the TS file, I declared one property which is called as data. Okay, and I have assigned workshop. Okay, so I assigned workshop. Now this data, I just wanted to send it to the student. So now what I'm doing is in student, I have assigned one more property, which is called as message. Okay, so in this particular message, I wanted to send this particular data here and display that particular message. So now for this purpose, what I'll do is I will use at input. So I'm just using at input decorator. So what I'm doing here is at input decorator, message. So I'm just giving it as message. Now here in the HTML file, what I'm doing is I am just invoking the app student. So app student, I'm just telling app student. So now this is the property. So for this particular property, I wanted to bind this particular message. So now what I'll do is I will just tell that message is equal to, so now message is equal to, I'll just give this particular data here. So now what I'm doing is, so now this input decorator will inform that for this particular property message, the parent component property is been binded. So for the parent, for the child component message, I am trying to bind the parent component message. So now when you execute it, what exactly happens from the data property, the property data value, whatever I have assigned, that will be sent to the student component when it will be assigned to this particular property, which is called as a message, and it will just try to display it. So like this, I am trying to pass the data from the college to the student. Got the point?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So understood how exactly the input decorator is working?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now this part of it, I'll just assign to someone. Okay. Who will do this?
Me.
Who is it?
Samarth Bhai.
Samarth? Okay, Samarth, you share the screen, Samarth. I'll stop it.